All right, just like the previous owner did, this is going to be our primary tool.
That's an airbag module. This is the harness for the airbag module.
Friends don't let friends sawzall interior components apart.
So if you remember, someone sawzalled open this to change a shifter bushing, and they apparently chopped through the airbag harness.
Yep, that's why the airbag light's been on. Good job, jackass. Including whatever the hell this is. I don't. It's like a light for something. I don't know for what, but it's a light, I think. All right, so we do have like a standard harness. Just come on, point, please. This thing is so incredibly light. Like this is premium Chinesium.
What do you mean? Dual is the best radio brand.
Yeah, like this thing weighs maybe a pound, like if that. Like feel how light this radio is.
Oh man.
Dual.
I might buy us a radio.
Dual.
Just because this is so cheap. Think of it, I could get us the actual DIN kit for the car, and then...
It's still salvageable. We still got screw holes.
Yeah.
It's just was trimmed by a troglodyte. I don't know who the fuck.
Troglodyte. Can I put the radio in the trunk?
Yeah. Let's start unplugging these fun clips and shit up here.
Okay. We'll drop it into time-lapse mode. It's nice with the app, I could just switch back and...
From what I understand, we also have to take the steering column loose, just so you are aware as well.
So this is the glove box. This is the underside of the steering column. If you go like this, I can do it with one hand.
No, you can't.
I can hardly do it with two hands. I don't know why it's designed like this. Dumb.
This isn't a dog and pony show. This is Chrysler Engineering.
Chrysler plastic. There you go. The steering column actually fits in the glove box hole. So that way they only had to make one dashboard for
both markets.
Yeah.
Pretty innovative.
Thanks, Chrysler.
Good job, boys.
Okay, back to time lapse.
flashlights on.
Don't play with airbags.
I mean, you can if you want.
It's airbag scary.
I'm not your mother. Do what you want to do.
Now we're removing the AC line
The AC system
from
is
the
already
engine bay.
plugged, so it doesn't have any refrigerant in it.
But we're making good progress. Probably been at this a little over an hour. We're getting close.
Close it. On my side is the steering wheel was jamming into the seat, and it was
So mostly Bombo got it's all loose.
it's like,
It's about to flop out.
yeah.
So now we're gonna try and gently tilt it all forward.
Yep. I'm gonna like lift this up and then lightly pull on the skeleton.
What's hanging up still? Are those all free?
I think it's my side, the steering wheel.
It's free, the cables are free.
This is a bit of a whole bunch of fucking wires. Alright.
As you can see, we got it free somehow.
Yep, this side is the scary side. There's like 100 fucking plugs over here. I hope I remember where they all go.
Look at all the room we have to work now.
Like there's these ones and this one. You should listen to how that guy said it. You should mark all this, but like this plug, the OBD, that goes to the gray one, white one. They make it pretty idiot proof for the people in the factory.
We'll figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna stick the camera.
I think. Do you want to walk through the car, or do you want me to walk through the car? Because it's gonna. I think coming this way is gonna be the best choice. Thinking we come out, and then we'll put it.
Well, yeah, we'll get the steering wheel out and I'll set it on your side of the seat. And then... I'll be over there in a second.
Help. I mean, it's not too heavy. It's just
No, it's
fucking
not.
awkward as fuck. Give it around to you. It's a whole kid caboodle on the ground. Look at all space for activities. I can sit right here and drive with my knees. God, this is so uncomfortable. Alright, we gotta figure out how to get this guy out.
Okay, after watching some YouTube videos, we figured out we gotta drop the whole air box here. So we're gonna do that. Pizza time.
Pizza
Time to eat some pizza.
That was an interesting farting sound. I think we're still stuck on something. What it is, I don't know. Back to the video. fucking. Oh. Are you still in time?
No, it's recording all.
Okay. There we go. I think she's oh, what am I hooked up on the bottom? Or am I just stuck on the carpet? And that's a fucking HVAC unit. Let's get this thing out of here.
Ta-da!
And it's just as easy as that. So I just picked the heater core back up, and look, it's got spaghetti in it. Or is it fettuccine? Mmm. Free fettuccine!
What is that?
I have no fucking idea. It's just, like, I seen it in there. Let's see if I can break her open a little more. Ow. No. Okay, let's go outside. Oh, we're live.
Yeah.
So we water tested this guy. Made sure that the one that was given to us by the previous owner is good. It is holding water. Pretty good. Clear it out. We're golden. Hi, it's me. I'm back on the floor again. Okay, let's just slide this gently into place. What I should probably do is I want to grab the air gun.
Yes.
And we'll just
Hose it out.
blast this thing real quick. There's just like
You got Lysol?
it's on the other side of this floor motor. Ugh. I don't know if you can see. It's like cottonwood and other nasty shit. Nothing like the smell of hot vomit in winter.
Oh.
Oh, I think you
Oh.
knew. Oh, you got it. Oh, she's starting to click together. Oh. Why am I wet? These don't have to be tightened very tight. Like,
Send them to space, boss. Got it.
if you don't see smoke coming from it when you're tightening it down, you did it wrong.
It's just the...
You tightened it like a lib. And they go in quick. I'll tell you that right now. Like, I'm hand threading them. Yep, you already fucking blew the threads out of it. I didn't watch it stop and then start right back up.
Okay, so go really slow. Got it.
In all honesty, I almost feel like just getting the screwdriver and doing this would be the best choice. Kind of catching on the threads. It looks like we're lined up. Put fucking dashboard into the car. Oh, you gotta dent my paint. Hurry up, motherfucker! This thing,
So it's not that heavy.
No, it really isn't. Car's in the garage. door. Start getting some plugs hooked up before we do that, or
I'm just making sure it's in a safe spot. I mean, that was just.
oh, let's get around the fucking.
Yeah, you have to bring the bottom part in farther. And you're sitting on the shit that doesn't work.
Oh God! Why did we fucking undo the steering wheel? Alright. I'm gonna lift it.
Hold on. Fucking hold on. Hold on. Hold on. But hold on, like I said, let's do the very bottom one.
Alright.
I don't know where the holes are now. And go up with it.
Oh, you might be close because I got on the stud.
Yeah, I can start the nut. I'm assuming that's the right one.
They're all basically the same fucking piece of
Get the bottom
hardware.
one in.
I didn't see any difference between any of them. At least not until we get it halfway together and then we're fucking guessing on what fucking bolt went where. Should we try and get the ones up here in the top started?
Should probably get these stupid corners. I think that aligns them.
Yeah. Dibbidi-bop-bop-bow. Just start scatting. That's the wrong way. Let's not do that. Come on, fucking line up enough to where I can. This one. Rah, rah. Look, it's starting to look like a car again.
Neat.
Now I just got about fucking 10,000 screws to put back in. Sweet. So we got the dashboard back in. We got all the main bolts in. She's sturdy. I think I forgot this. Hopefully I can get that back in. Fuck. I just realized the defroster vent's somewhere. Oh, we done goofed. Well, here's the defroster vent. Maybe I can get lucky and snake this thing back in here. Oh no, we did. So we might have to pull the dashboard forward again. Yeah. Yep. Well, Ryan isn't here for this fun, but this is the defroster vent. One of the main reasons why we were doing this, so we had defroster and well, it's in my hand and not in the dashboard, so I got some bolts to take loose. One moment. Okay, dashboard's pulled forward. Remember, when you do this, put this thing back in. At least we don't have to take it all the way out. I fought to get this thing out of the damn dashboard earlier. And now I just fucking forget to take it, put it back in. Alright. Now I can get the dashboard back in place. Getting a little ahead of myself. But we're gonna see if this thing starts. Hell yeah! Listen to that thing fucking scream! I think it's pissed because I don't have the one thing, and it's got a vacuum leak right now.
You can hear the new turbo really good.
Yeah. Dashboard in. There are some leftover screws. And by some, I mean quite a few. But I'm not worried about that. We got one bolt, but we know where that goes. And then, one of my sockets. I'm gonna put this in. That's for the air conditioning. That's not gonna work ever again. I am ruining the value of this car. Oh, there's another bolt in here, or screw. Yeah, let's go under the hood. Now I need to get rid of, let's get some better light, this mess. These are my two heater core hoses. My two heater core hoses.
I agree, they are whores.
These heater core hoses. Luckily, they only plug in kind of back down over here. Let's see if we can get a better shot. Those two right there. I just got to plug these into that. Got the car warmed up. Got the temp gauge up there. We got a $130 almost coming out of there. It looks like you can't hardly see. 127, 129, 131. We have heat. We have real good heat. It's premium heat. I guess that puts a close at the end of this slight nightmare that was taking this entire dashboard out and putting it back in. I do think we forgot this vent, because now these don't work at all. Like, there's this vague amount of heat coming out of it. Don't know where that vent went, but these ones work, so I'll call it okay. That's great. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. It was a fun time pulling the dashboard out. Actually, it didn't take all that long. We started this little adventure at noon. What is it now, like 5? I don't know what time it is. What time is it, Ricky?
It is 5:51, 6.
So it's almost 6. With a lot of procrastination and stuff, it wasn't too bad. 6 hours worth of fun. And we had to take the dashboard out a second time. Okay, goodbye.